Understand English, yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Yes.
Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. So please say that for Ike from Okay. So you want to live in today? You're wrong. Okay, yesterday my animal trainer got bitten by an animal. So they scared to handle this animal. So today you need to handle this animal. Are you sure?
Yes.
Good job.
Okay, you want to call the animal to come here. I will tell you three characteristics about this animal. Okay, first, they will come here in a group.
In group. Yes.
Yes.
You do that.
Yes.
Good job.
Second, they have a weird looking face. You do that. And third, they all have scales.
Still.
So you do that. So now we got two conditions here. So when they come here, please don't run. Okay?
Don't run.
If you run, they will chase you under the sand. Don't do it. So are you brave? You ready now? And second, when they come near you, please don't touch them. Okay? If you touch them, they will bite you.
Oh. Don't touch, okay?
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready or not?
Ready. You say ready.
Ready? Say ready. Yeah. Come here. Ready. Are you stand here? And look over there.
Look there.
Can you see animal over there? No? Okay guys, can you see animal over there? No? Okay, let me call them up. Where are you?
Stay there, Kuya.
Stay there, Dokin.
Stay. Stay there.
Stay there.
Stay. Oh, there.
Go see there. Wow. Wow. You throw it in, you throw. Good.
Good job. Good job.
Wow. Don't touch it, Akin. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's a very big.
Go there, go there.
Grabe ka. Kasi babay kayo nila.